Hello everyone. Are you wondering what glow up means? Let's explore. Glow up, similar to glow up, refers to a significant transformation for the better, typically involving improvements in appearance, lifestyle, or self-confidence. It's a term often used to describe how someone has become more attractive or successful over time, especially compared to their past self. Glow up is celebrated on social media, where people share their before and after photos or stories, showcasing how they have leveled up in various aspects of life. The term emphasizes the positive change that can come with maturity, self-care, and personal growth. In essence, a glow up is about emerging as a better, more polished version of yourself, often with visible and commendable results that reflect both internal and external growth. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.